Hey there, Happy New Year, everyone. I am the owner operator of Gibson Consignment Corral. I have a brick and mortar store, and my little Yorkies wanted to join. Say hi. This is Precious and Peaches. These are my little baby Yorkies, so you'll probably see them in the video. They're all excited. So, what we're doing tonight, on January 1, 2025, is we're going to do an unboxing. So through the consignment business, we list things online and we sell it that way. We also have an auction page on Facebook that we sell items. And then, of course, we sell items in the brick and mortar store. So I'm just going to go over some things that come through our consignment. Some of it's things that I get through different avenues. Some of it is consigned with me, right? Like the shop will get a cut of the sales of the items. So in this case, we have a consigner here that I'm going to be showing, and you can just watch along and see all the cool stuff, and we'll just get started. Hope everyone's having a happy new year. Now, when I was younger, when I was growing up, I don't know if y'all remember those fusion beads where like you get the item like some design and then you put the little beads in it and then you put something over it. I don't remember if our parent did like if our mom did like parchment paper. I can't remember exactly. But anyway, you would iron it and it would fuse those beads together. And this is a cool item. It's like the Pac-Man ghost fused with those beads, and they're made into little earrings. So those are cool. And then there's a green cross earrings. Same thing, fused together. Looks like there's all kinds in this bin. Maybe that's a saying keychain, like a quote. I'm not really sure. If you know, let me know down below if you can tell. And I guess a turkey, maybe a turkey keychain. These are earrings. They're you can't see it all, but there's black on the trim of it around the outline. Some more crosses, different color. A lipstick. That's a keychain. Some more earring crosses. Let's see what else we got. Oh, little flowers. My little babies, they're playing. My little Yorkies are playing. So, wiggle, wiggle. These are like tassel earrings, and they're fused at the top. These beads, the fused beads, or at least they look like they are. Those are a lot smaller beads that are fused. I've never seen them like that. We have cactus earrings. More crosses that are pink. Let's see what else. Oh, here's some more Pac-Man ghosts that are orange. Earrings. Maybe somebody can help me out. Is that lips? Is that lips? I guess it is. It's a keychain. There's several more. I guess that's an owl earrings. An owl. More ghosts like the ones earlier were pink. More crosses that are orange. Oh. More owls that are pink. Let's see. We have cactus keychain. We have more owls that are Yeah, a green and like lime green. Flower earrings that are purple. More cactus earrings. More owls, red and yellow. It looks like a little dog. Keychain. More crosses. More cactus. And that's a cute little, I guess you call that a hexagon shape. Purple outline earring. Another cactus. Purple. More cross earrings. More ghosts that are, those look yellow. Lots of cool stuff. Lots of earrings. More ghosts that are red. White crosses with yellow in the middle. More cactus earrings. More owls, purple. Another purple hexagon. Okay, from there, there's a lot of, those are the earrings and keychains. And put them back in the box. And then we're going to move on to some other miscellaneous stuff. And there's some more jewelry I'm going to show. We'll start with this one. Okay. Here's some cute silver tone butterflies. Like that. And this one is called Forever. Forever. And it looks like a bracelet. Like a charm bracelet with glass beads. It's kind of heavy. And it comes with a little, case. The little drawstring bag. We have Magnifique. I'm trying. Magnifique fine crystal. And it's one too. It says certificate of authenticity. It's similar. Bracelet, glass beads with pink. And it's got the little black case as well. Art form. Huh. Art form, fine collectible. Neat stuff. We have a little elephant that is a stone elephant, but he's broke. You can see his leg is gone. He's broke. What you doing, baby girl? We have little scissors. Little handy scissors. It doesn't have a brand. Then we have, oh, it's a gold tone, black gemstone and earrings, little half hoop earrings and a bracelet that match. We have an adjustable ring. We have some coasters that the box is seeing better days. It's just little card top coasters. Eh, eh. Oh, now here's a cute little elephant. He's a carved stone elephant. Let me try it like that. That's what it looks like. Like that. Girls always playing. Here's a pretty chunky bracelet. It has, those are acrylic beads. This is heavier bead. Dragonfly, heart, dragonflies and hearts. It's a little stretch bracelet. And it's just a little chunky style. Silver and blue. Another little stretch ring. It's kind of like an antique gold color. See, all the grindstones are there. Then we have a little owl brooch. That looks like it is black and like a cream color owl, a black one and a cream color owl. Another, oh, that's pretty. That ring is really pretty. I have a ring sizer, not in front of me, but I can do the size of the ring. Let me see. I wear an 8, so that's definitely a size 8 ring. And it's marked NY something. NYA or something. I could look at it further, but it is marked something. But that's a really, really pretty. Really pretty ring. All right, we have another ring. This, I would guess, it's definitely a used ring. It's not marked. It's pretty, but my guess would be it's a size 8 as well. Because it fits my finger the same. Let's see, we have a pretty heavily used necklace. Purple. And a little bracelet with a little bead on it. Do that. There we go. And let me see what this is. Oh, another type of stretch ring, but I know you call it a stretch ring, but it's bigger than my finger, so you'd have to have a pretty good size finger. It's probably stretched out or something. Would be my guess. And then they have a single earring in there. Little peace sign heart. And that's all for there. Next, we have a chrome cast. This is what it looks like. It's still got the little plastic seal around the side or the edge. It's in really good shape. Kind of looks like it hadn't really been used much. Oh, maybe not. I don't know anything about that. That's interesting. Interesting. Little item there. Next up we have a Nexode U-Green 30W. U-Green's first robot GAN fast charger. Still sealed on one side. I don't know how you're supposed to get it open if it's maybe you don't. Maybe you don't. I don't know. I'd have to cut that. Well, let me see. Well, it's never been open there. I'll have to research that further. But next we have a used, pretty heavily used, Simply Straight. I guess you call it a hair iron because you plug it up and I guess it gets hot and straightens your hair. Next, we have a professional USB camera, with 4x zoom. BA conference call power user. You don't have to be a pro to stream like one. Oh, it's never been opened. Okay. Another item I'll have to look up, find out more. But it's never been opened. It's still sealed. All right. Next we have, oh, this, this is just a little, it holds rings, like you display rings and put it in the little grooves. That's what this is. A little ring jewelry thing. This is a bag of some sort. Figured I'd open it so you could see it. Oh, that's cute. A little sequin. Look at this zipper. A little sequin bag. Zipper bag. How cute. The zipper open. This is still new. It's got the little fresh bag in it. It is MAC. It's a little MAC bag. That's cute. A little MAC bag. We have some barrettes. We have some teardrop style earrings. What else do we have? Oh, my leg's going to sleep. My leg's going to sleep. Hey, drop a comment down below and to let me know what your favorite thing to look for, favorite thing to shop for. What do you like to go if you're one who likes to shop? These are some cute earrings. These are pierced earrings. And there's several, oh, they're different. These are kind of like a just clear bead, you know. And then they got pink, some more clear, black, just like that. Black and pink again. Those are cute. All right. We got something for the doggy. A dog dazzler. Collar accessories. It says birthday gal. That's cute because my little Yorkies, they're sisters that I showed you earlier. And my little Yorkie sisters had a birthday in July. They turned 1. And they're not quite 1.5 years old yet. But that would be cute for them. Birthday gal. These are cute. I don't know if I'll be able to show them very good. They're stud earrings. They kind of look like, they're pointed, kind of like a pencil. Anyway, they're silver tone. These are gold tone. And then the other ones are kind of a bronze. Kind of a bronzy color. So that was those. Lots of cool stuff. What else do I got over here? We got a little, this is a little clip. It's a little clip on a card. Let's see, what else? Oh, there's so much stuff, I don't know where to start. These are a mix of earrings, different colors again. Let me just show you what those. These are a green pair. These are cute. So there's green ones like that, and I see red. And pink and purple and kind of an amber looking color, sort of. Those are cute. I don't know what I had in there. Oh, here we go. A little hair. It's a little lace, stretchy. It is stretchy. A little lace headband. The girls have gotten quiet now. We have, oh my goodness, some skeleton earrings. There's more than one pair, but they're both pink, so I'll just show you the one pair. Skeleton earring. That's funny. Oh, what else do we have? What else do we have? We have some. We have some dice earrings. Bunch of dice earrings. Those are all the same in the bag, I believe. We have a bracelet and earrings, little emoji. What else do we have? We have heart stud earrings that are all hearts, different color. Well, you see red, white, and green. Bunch of pairs. What else we got? These are, these look like by the way, these are acrylic. They're not stone. But they look like tusk or something. They got little, they're gold tone. They got little gold balls. Those are cute. Let's see. We have a black stretch bracelet. We have magnets. We have, oh, I remember seeing somewhere a box for the cannon jar lids, and here's the lids, but the box was separate. Now I know where they are. Oh, there's some more. Interesting. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Gift card holder. We have a little glass. Original design by Glass Batch. It's a black cat. A little black cat in a box. That's cute. Let's see, we got a bag of stuff in here. We got different hair barrettes, little flowers. That's white. This one's red. That one's got a missing bead. Then we have black. That one looks like it's got some missing beads as well. Then we have earrings. Oh, those are cute. I'm sorry, I'm looking ahead. We have these little alligator hair clips. Those are cute. We have a little pencil. Hadn't seen one of those in a while. Okay, this looks kind of like a vintage bracelet maybe. The way it clasps is kind of different. Goes like so. It does not stretch. This is a kind of a mixed. It's like acrylic and then this is glass. Red and white and black. Then we have a little Hello Kitty, little baby, a little kid's ring, little girl. And then I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's complete. Okay, that's a bracelet. Okay. That's a bracelet that has a button to close it. Made out of shells and seed beads. Yeah. And a ring. Let me put that back in here. Alright, and this is this ring is unmarked. Not sure the size yet. Yeah, That may be smaller. That may be more like a 7. All right, and I showed you that. Then we have just a loose heart bead. Then we have some earrings that are, I can't think of what you would call that. It's like glass, but I can't think of it. These green, something shell, right? They're shell-like. Yeah, I can't think of the name. Here's some more that are different color. Right. Now we're on to a pair of teardrop style earrings. There's 2 pair. Gold tone. Let me get them situated. Here we go. They're kind of scalloped design. Pierced earrings. And these I think are cute. They're red, white, and blue ribbon earrings. Well, oh, here we go. I found some out of the pack. The other ones are in the package, but there we go. I can show it to you better now. Silver tone, red, white, blue ribbon earrings. Excuse me. All right. There's a random earring. Here's a that's a little magnetic butterfly or dragonfly. I mean, it's magnetic. It just says token. I don't know what that means. I know that the metal works because it's got other things coming to it. I found I don't know what that is. It's blue. And it says something. My eyes are not good enough for it. Okie doke. Here's some more earrings. These are pierced as well. And they're little hoop. The little silver hoops with the little stone in them. Like so. There's probably 6 pair or so. Alright, next we'll do this. I think these are like lip balm keychain holders. You stick your chapstick, is what I mean, in them. And there's several of those in here. There's several of the same. And then we have a bee keychain. There's another one. And another one. And another one. Then we have a crocheted, I'm going to say it's a crochet donut keychain maybe? Not sure. And then this is a no-touch door opener keychain. The safe way to avoid contaminated surfaces. Copper alloy. Key Smart Mini. We have a no-touch key. keychain. Another one that's kind of leopard. I don't know what kind of print that is. Then we have one that is blue. I can't, blue something. Just called blue design. These are red hearts. And then black with white polka dots. And then one of these again. And one of these again. That's cool. Those are neat. Those are neat. So what are your New Year's resolutions this year? Comment down below. What are your plans or goals or things you would like to accomplish in 2025? Mine is to do more videos on YouTube for the business so that more people learn about us, and that's my goal for 2025. This is not marked, but it's a really cute triple. My old eyes always have to get, you know, magnifying glass, glasses, all that stuff. That's really cute. I don't know if it goes this way or if it goes this way. I'm thinking this way because of that, but it's really cute. See? Really cute brooch. I don't see that it's marked, but even, oh, yes it is. Told you I can't see. It does have a maker's mark. But I don't know what it is. And my better eyes are not handy. So if you're interested in that, just let me know and I can tell you what it is. But it's definitely marked. Matter of fact, let me show you. It's marked right here. Right there. I just can't read it. Don't know. It could be a good item. I don't know. I can't see. $20.25. How time flies, doesn't it? This is I remember this lady told me she had some boutique clothing. So these, I'm going to do my best. I don't know anything about them yet. Poly spandex pants. These are cute. They did not, they're stretchy. But where I just looked wasn't the size. They're cute though. See? Like so. But I'm going to have to try harder for size because I'm not seeing it. This is poly spandex, I can tell you that. But as far as the size, I'm not certain. I don't know if they put it somewhere else on it. Heh. I found that one tag. They were new in the package. But I don't know. Have to do some more research. Alright, here's another pair. See this different pattern. This looks like a it's got fringe on it. It Kind of looks like a scarf. Anyway, let me just show it to you. If you're interested to know more about it, I could always just make a comment below. You can tell it definitely has fringe on it. And I'm looking funny because I don't want to take everything out. I got more to go. I feel like it's a scarf. See how the finish is in there? I feel like it's a scarf. And then here's another one of a different pattern. It's got fringe and it's different print. This is a shirt, size medium. This is a color is neon pink, size medium. Neon pink, size medium. This is a teal, size medium, sunshine and looks like rodeos, sunshine and rodeos. Teal, size medium shirt, top. Then we have size medium shirt. Another one, a large. A large. Whee. Now, as long as I don't create an avalanche about it. We have leopard print. It says gray, size medium. Again, it's sunshine rodeo. It's not all of it, but this is. These are some of these, you know, they're boutique. This one I think is the turquoise, size medium. This one's kind of moved around, so let me see if I can show it to you better. There we go. Let me try to hold it. A turquoise, sunshine and rodeo, size medium. This is a black size medium. This is a small. That's really cute. That's cute. Here's a medium and a large coming. And that same thing, it's a large. And a large. All right. Next we have Urban Iffy. I don't know. Urban Iffy. It's an extra large shirt. This one's a small. This one, same pattern, is a small. Same pattern is a medium. Same pattern is a large. I know I apologize for not showing all the details exactly, but it would take me a minute to open each and every one, and then they'd look the same. And anyway, this has like soccer ball design on the side of it. I don't see a brand on this one. I didn't see the size on this one, but I could look it up or look. But this one is a small. This one, next one, same pattern is a medium. Next one, same pattern is a large. Next one, same pattern is a medium. Next one, same pattern, is an extra large. Next one, same pattern, is a large. And the last one, same pattern, is a medium. Then we have a little, oh my goodness, this, oh my goodness, that's cute. I think that's a little dog outfit. Look how cute that is, and it says, "It's my birthday." How cute is that? I'm trying to figure out, because somebody's probably going to want to know what size this is. Ah, maybe 65% poly, 35% cotton. Okay, that was mean. Where is the size, people? Well, it's definitely not like an extra small, or a small probably for that matter. It's got to be a medium or a large. That's super cute, but it's way too big for my little girls. There ain't no way. That's so cute. So cute. It's probably a medium. Alright, we got a few more items to go. Let me kind of switch a couple things. We're to the end. Here's another little seashell. That one's damaged though. It's damaged right there, where the beads have come off. Let's see, we got that, maybe that's for a little dog around their neck. It's cute. Let me get these few things out here. We can see what we got. Here's another ring. That one's blue. Unmarked. And that will be all except that, and I'll show that. Okay, let me get these back in the box here. And then we will show you the last of what is come out, and this will be done. Okay, so there's the ring. There's that. This is another one of those little mix, you know, stud earrings, just to mix of different random ones. These are little, this is Melody brand. These are little like stripe ones, and they're all striped. You might not be able to tell that on there. Black, blue, and red stripe. I'm not sure what this is. Charger for a Galaxy 4246 black. Somebody tell me what that means. Is that Galaxy like a cell? Oh, it's, never mind. It says watch. I was going to ask somebody. Little charger for a Galaxy watch. Okay. And we got 3 more little things here. Okay, that's random. They have a bag with stuff in it. Okay. What I was in about is there's some really big earrings in there that are feathers. I'll show them to you. But wow. Okay. There's 2 pairs of these. Two pair of those. Okay. And I don't know what was in here. Those are kind of different. I think there's more than 1 pair is what it is. Yeah, they look like they're the same color, I think, yeah. So let me just show you these. There's like 3 pair of these. These are a little bit on the heavier side, but those are cute. There's 3 pairs of those. I'm going to show you my, I put them to last. Yeah. they're just big, that's all. And long. I was like, ooh, that's big. All right, in with that, kind of random. There's like a watch, a bracelet, earrings, which I showed you, and a necklace. We'll just take a look. Oh, okay. Here's a brooch. Again, I'm trying to see if it's marked. I don't see that this one is marked, but anyway, that's in there along with those feather earrings. Then we have a adjustable string kind of bracelet. And last, oh no, not last, sorry. This watch is something Cassini, Cassini. It looks like a vintage style watch. I can't tell the first name. Somebody could tell me. It looks like it starts with an O. Is that OLEG? I think. Cassini. Anyway. And then last but certainly not least. Oh wait. It was 2 things, not 1. Here's a little heart necklace. Chain necklace. Now, last but not least is a statement necklace that looks like so. Well, of course I had to have it all, you know, crumpled up where you can't see it. Here we go. Oh my jeez. What have I done? What have I done? Oh. Alright. Did I get it? There we go. There we go. Now you can see it. Okay. That concludes my unboxing that I wanted to show you. So, until next time, keep living your best life and don't forget to tell me what your New Year's resolutions are. Bye.